Pablo YG da. Pablo YG, he dog bad brother.
Here we go.
So, and this, Roa, Alkaline come do performance pan. This, a fling. Dog. Brother, who don't have sense, brother? Yo, who don't have sense? Ah! Yo, watch out people that do it, don't know. It's a boy, Kim. Yo, you have one of the people hit them in there or something that them bring the matches back. And this is what I call it from precious time come perform. This is no casting. Brother, I worstest thing this people seen in my life. Worstest! Hey, worstest! Sting! You found when? Sting don't keep. And this is why my waste time come perform. Dog! I'm an idiot! Brother! I'm an idiot! What? Yo, trouble there. Trouble is there. Alright, start. Sting! Sting! How that? Who that? Pablo YG just walk out. Alright? Alright, remember saying up people. Remember saying up Pablo YG. A bad racist, bro. Remember say dog bad, so you're going to see if I'm going to do Malie then a way over here say no. Alright, so Malie then I walk off out and now Pablo YG just left from around the back corner, so Malie then I walk out and now. Yo! Nah, go Malie then do brother. Malie then sound like Joshy, brother. Joshy, dog sound like, what is that? He man leave had a rough voice, dog. Like what? Brother, all the talking man them a talk on stage, brother. Man I say, oh come forward, make it take it to Sting. See Sting forward and gone. Why problem? Why problem? Why problem? Come on, my danda. Come on, brother. Me can't believe that. Your voice just soft, brother. Can't believe man. Oh man. At least they walk and go perform on a sick man. The sick. This a little sickness, brother. Sickness. Eh? Huh? Yeah! Mama! Yo, Pablo YG bad, brother. Pablo YG bad. He dog have a crowd away. He get more forward than Malie than he dog get more forward than Malie than. He get more forward so far than Malie than. Pablo YG sick, brother. Yeah, watch it. Look at the crowd away, watch it. The crowd away, brother. Yeah, man. Pablo YG get this man. Crowd away, brother. Hear him now. Yo, Malie than wants so like blouse and skirt. My father the performance thing. Turn the mic. Turn the blouse and skirt mic. Turn the mic. Yeah. Lily boy. Go man bother you. Malie than Pablo YG more grimy than you, brother. You're not bad, brother. Tell me nice, Malie than. You're not bad youth. Yeah. Alright, Malie than, alright. Me like this. Me like it, but overall, me like it. Me like this song, dog. Me like it. Alright, make you see it. Yeah, Pablo YG, Pablo YG, he dog bad, brother. He dog bad, youth. Bad. Yo, Pablo YG sick! Wow! Alright, Pablo. Alright. Alright, bro. Alright. Yeah. Bomba dog. Yo. Pablo YG get more forward than Malie Donn. Pablo YG get more forward than Malie Donn. Big time. I say credit rate for Pablo YG. Because he does more game, my brother. Right now, Malie Donn gonna feel away now himself, you know, say Pablo YG get more forward. Brother, come on, this is the worst thing in my life, brother. You see, the worst thing. Right now, I don't even know how I'm going to do this thing. Right now, this thing I come like, then just draw this thing out I was, and not enough, and I shot again, brother. And lose! Yo, Pablo YG a contract, you know? Hey man, bad dog. Pablo YG a contract, your friend. Yeah. Yeah, they might even have one song. For the man go and sing Capitan song, brother. Capitan song. Brother said to me, say, all the song you have sing on the catalog, brother, and use them song, they promote them song, brother. All the war song you drop on the catalog, brother, and still use Capitan song, brother. Sense down here, dog. I'm not ready for this. No. Yeah. Well, Pablo YG, that movie say, he have more deeper voice, he have more grimier voice. You see me? Even when them sing other artist song, that a Sizzler song with Pablo YG, just sing like while, I mean like, they not a song for themselves, brother. Like really? But Pablo YG get forward still. Yeah, Pablo, yeah. Yeah, Pablo YG win the clash, you know. No doubt. Pablo YG win the clash. I'm rate the clash, brother. I'm rate the clash, brother. But Stinger frigate still. Double man, Mike. Like what them stop it so quick. Chat boy easy. Man, go and back which where you come from, yeah? Lady, go and back which where you come from. Brother, you know what people miss walk up on stage like while? Right now, you know what this video just watch, brother. Right now, that thing ain't sting, you know. That thing ain't on fire, you lose every seat where you get. Every seat where you sting get, you lose. Brother, right now, I versus clash me. Well, you clash us so bad because I'm ready to Pablo YG do it Malie Donn. Malie Donn no bad, brother. But when I versus thing this, brother, watching here thing I keep right now, me not see no thing for outdo Vice Cartel and Mavada, you know. And no, you know. I bet safe Alkaline come and forward and perform on that place. Lift up. Cause dog have hit song for days. The money not a hit song, brother. So I'm gonna use other people catalog, song from people catalog and sing. Come on, man. Come on, that thing I just. How much you grade that thing? Let me know in the comment section. How much you grade that thing? Because that thing look like it even make no sense, dog.